Yes! Speel weer. Speel me weer.
Nice! Boys!
Kijk. 1, 2, 3, left.
Bueno, Stefan. Stefan, answer me. When was the last time?
I'm in matric. I'm old enough to make my own decisions. It's enough that I have a mother and a father. So stop trying to be a parent to me.
My goodness, Stefan, can't you see what you're doing to yourself? Those dumb decisions of yours will lead to something that you can't avoid. Look what happened out there today. Things like that will prevent you from playing big rugby one day.
Andre, you stress too much. Small guys like you get nowhere in big rugby. The feeling I get on the field is addictive. And the power it gives me is indescribable.
I'm not stressing. I'm worried about you. I'm the only one who actually knows that you're on steroids. Do you realize how many times I could have gone to Mr. Russo, tell him everything I know? Do you realize how disappointed your father could have been in you if he had to find out? He has big dreams and plans for your life.
Andre, I swear, if you've told anyone, I'll hang you with your own rugby socks.
No, I haven't. But I want you to know that I could. And I will if you don't stop. Mr. Russo's worried about your health. He can see something is wrong. And if something like that happens again, he'll give you fewer games. Or even send you for tests. You won't be able to play rugby trials. Your rugby dream will fade right in front of you. Stop being stupid, Stefan. You're doing more bad than good.
You almost gave us a fright, man. What's wrong?
It's probably high blood pressure or just the heat. Nothing major.
Just get to the doctor, man. I almost forgot. Your father said I must tell you he's waiting for you in his car.
Guys, the bus is leaving, guys. Are you coming with us or is your mom here, guys?
I'll be in, man.
Alright.
Cheers, guys.
Bro, think about what I said. Think about your future. You have your whole life ahead of you. See you later.
Maybe Andre was right. Your life changes in the blink of an eye. I just always wanted the power, the strength, the influence. Little did I realize that I was actually breaking myself down while I was literally trying to build myself up. I'll walk this road with God. My dad is excited about my future. So am I. It is now or never.